Welcome to Jank Kitchen. If you're lactose intolerant or if you have a friend that's lactose intolerant, you might want to stick around for this one today, because I'm going to be making a more lactose intolerant friendly chicken Alfredo, starting with a block of aged Parmesan. The reason why we can use a hard cheese like Parmesan is because during the cheese making process, you expel most of the lactose with the whey, and during the aging process, bacteria eats the leftover lactose, turning it into lactic acid, leaving the cheese virtually lactose free. I'm chopping and blending this Parmesan to make it easier to work with later. I'll take 75 grams of said Parmesan and I'll add 40 grams of tofu. Now you don't have to use tofu if you don't want to, or you can use more tofu, but it's really just a filler. I'll also add 115 grams of water and add about a teaspoon of bouillon to the water. This can get put on the stove to get heated to a simmer. I'll also add my tofu and cheese to a blender along with 2% of my total tofu, cheese, and liquid weight in sodium citrate. Our liquid can also go in and probably stir it a little bit better than I did. Then we can proceed to blend. This is how my cheese sauce ended up looking. We can then boil our noodles in some salted water until just before al dente. Also generously salt and pepper a chicken thigh. This chicken thigh can get a light sear before finishing off in an oven or an air fryer. And I'll add some minced garlic to my pan. This garlic can get sauteed lightly before adding our sauce along with our noodles. You can adjust the sauce to make it thicker or thinner with water or more Parmesan. I'll then grab my chicken from the air fryer to be cut off the bone. It's still a little underdone here, but I'm gonna just finish it in the sauce. Remember to adjust as needed with water and Parmesan, then proceed to plate. It can get garnished with some chopped parsley because that makes it healthy or something. Now it's ready to go into your mouth. Do I miss all the cream? No, not really. I think it gets enough creaminess from all the cheese and the little bit of tofu. I maybe give this one like an 8.3 on the max scale. It's pretty freaking good. Yeah, it almost tastes exactly like a chicken Alfredo, which makes sense because I use all the chicken Alfredo ingredients apart from like a shit ton of butter and cream. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more mac and cheese. Let me know if there's a mac and cheese you'd like to see in the future in the comments down below.